Hello everyone, today I will be unboxing VR cover, the $30 facial interface and foam replacement for the Oculus Quest 2. If you have been considering buying this and you have heard it from people such as Thrill and Disrupt, then I'll show you what it includes, and if you think that's what it's worth. Here's the actual VR cover box, unopened at the moment. Still has the tape right on, just came. And yeah, let's get to it. I'll open it real quick and show you what I see. And here it is. Look at this beauty. Wow. Okay, I'm liking it already. So here's the number and all that stuff. Here's the actual interface that you put on your face, and including the nose guard. That is nice. Next, we also got some quality, I guess it's to block out sun rays. So that is actually going to be pretty useful, and scratches too. So we got that. And lastly, I believe this is the comfort strap, or not strap, but comfort part, you know? And we also got the slim part. I don't really know the name, but slim cover, I guess, is a better word for it. And here we have the instruction manual. Interesting. I'm probably not going to read this, but I'll put it on the screen for anyone who is curious about what it says. Yeah, the quality should be alright. It's recording in Ultra HD. And let's see. Anyone who is curious about that, there it is. And let's go put this on the headset and see how it is. So as you can see right here, we got the controllers with a strap, I believe it's from Anchor, and right here we have the original Oculus strap with a cover that came with one of my accessories I bought. And we got an extra strap that was not too expensive for it, it was good. And yeah, we got this, the original cover that makes sweating a nightmare in VR, along with makes it very uncomfortable to wear this for a long period of time, assuming your battery doesn't die. But besides that, it's amazing, the fact that there's so many accessories that you can include with it. And I'm not trying to diss VR, and I'm not trying to diss this headset, it's quite amazing. But here, I'll stop talking, let me show it right here, and put one of these on. So as you can see, it's as simple, or I didn't show it exactly, but it's as simple as popping this off, and then popping this part right on. It's not too complicated. I mean, if you have a VR headset and you can navigate it, I believe it's not worth it to just show you. And let's get on to putting this part on. So I'm going to start with the comfort strap to begin with, and I'm going to try it out and show you what it looks like from a third-person point of view, or I guess you know how it is. But let's see. And pretty much, I'm liking it. It's comfortable, it's nice. It has a good feel to it, you know. You can see from this point of view, you got this. Let me speed up the headset real quick. You got this over here, and it's way more comfortable and quite nice, if I'm going to be honest. But yeah, this is how it is so far, and I think you're going to love it. But you know what? You gotta try it for yourself, you know. This is to show you if it's worth it or not. This, and let's try on the actual slim accessory section part, whatever you call it. So it's really as simple as just peeling back this and then putting on this. Let's do it. And here we go. It's looking good so far. I actually enjoy this one a lot better because there's a whole range of field of vision you can see now. And honestly, I quite like it. This is definitely worth it. Definitely worth the $30. And I mean, I don't really care if you subscribe or not. If you dislike the video, dislike. And if you like it, then feel free to like. I really don't mind. Just a little YouTube video. But yeah. I hope y'all learned something and you were able to make a good choice, or at least a choice that you think is worth it. And here it is. Here's the stuff with the new VR cover. VR cover. Thank you guys for watching, and peace. It is. So let's see. Whoops! I just ran into a table or a cushion.